Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business cafe interior perspective fix using adaptive wide angle in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load a cafe interior image. I pause because cafe branding matters in business identity. The counters and walls feel curved. I duplicate the layer immediately. I open adaptive wide angle in Camera Raw filter. I slowly draw constraint lines along counters and walls. I pause to feel the correction happening. I zoom in and inspect menus and logo areas. I gently adjust scale for realism. I zoom out and feel warmth return to the image. Now I add business cafe branding text and place it carefully. The final visual feels inviting, clean,